What's that up on the roof?
Yeah, that's more my speed. Hello? 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 Merry Christmas!
The snow is falling down up in some northern town, but Carolina Christmas is still the best around. Wrap up your teddy bear, hang your stockings up again. It's a Carolina Christmas, we're chilling in our underwear. The snow is falling down up in some
Hello, everyone! Hello! Hello! How are you? Hello!
stockings up again.
Ohio! Ohio!
Underwear. Old St. Nick's got a bag of tricks and he's come around after a while.
Hello, Gabriel! Hello, Vanilla! Hello, Twisted! Hello, Fractured! Hello, Pugs! Hello!
Carolina, it's Christmas all over the place.
How is everyone doing today? How are you? What's up? Needing some tea? Go get some tea! All I had is hot water and lemon. So I have hot water and lemon. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
The snow is falling down up in some northern town, but Carolina Christmas is still the best around.
Oh.
Wrap up your teddy bear, hang your stockings up again.
Why isn't the glasses working?
Christmas, we're chilling in our underwear. Well, old St. Nick's got a bag of
Hello?
tricks and he's come around after a while. This must be his favorite haunt 'cause we always do it up in style. Grandma's got the fiddle and Grandpa's got
I swear, everything. There's something always breaks. Something always breaks when I try and do that. What the heck? Hold on.
What's that up on the roof?
Oh wait, there it is. What the heck? What is it? Now I look like I look like Mrs. Claus. I'm on a vacation in Detroit. I was on a plane all day. Wow, wow, that's crazy. I'd be miserable if I was on a plane all day. I just noticed nice outfit. Thank you. It's my Christmas outfit. Doing fun. My work got closed tomorrow and Friday because of the blizzard. It's gonna be around negative 30 to 40. Whoa, whoa! Keep that away from me. Even though it's certainly coming. It's coming! It's scary! Why am I getting bonked? That was not unsay so. I meant the snow. How's your Christmas break been? I don't have a Christmas break. It's all a break to me. I'm a grown up. I don't have Christmas break. But this month has been really good. It's been really good. Thank you for asking. I'm not feeling any of this music. I'm eating some chini with the fam. I'll be back. Have fun! Have fun! Seriously, none of this music. This is what I want. And I'm not ready to start singing yet. I guess it's fine. Da 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 da. I brought snacks for the movie and popsicles for my destroyed throat. Yeah, speaking of, I don't know what movie we're watching yet. I still don't know what movie. So I was hoping we could figure that out together. Hello, Nya. Hello, Shy. Christmas movie, not Megamind. No. Everyone in chat, how is everyone's break? Da, 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 da. Polar Express? I was thinking that, but didn't we watch that last year? I don't remember if we watched it last year or not. And I don't know if people would get bored of it. It's a classic? I know, it's my favorite Christmas movie, but I don't know if everyone will like watching it again. They will, right? I already got a Christmas song request for you, Mew. You were supposed to give me Christmas song requests earlier. I already have my set list. What Christmas song? Watch what? Polar Express. Why do these glasses look so big? Oh. I don't know. Polar Express, I like that movie. Well, Krampus? What's Krampus? All I want for Christmas is waifus? Is that a parody? Is that a parody song? I've never heard of that before. Then yes? I'm not doing that then. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing covers. I'm doing wholesome Christmas music. Krampus is a horror Christmas movie? I don't want to watch scary Christmas movies. I want to watch happy. Oh, come on. Nope. Maybe if you would have requested it when I asked for requests. Scary movies are fun. Is Santa Baby a wholesome song? No, but it's an old song. It's a traditional song. And yes, it's not unwholesome. Scary movies are fun. talk about one anything. No, thank you. You should check a clip of it on YouTube. I'm not. I'm. That would mean I'd have to set up. I'd have to load a whole new screen, and I'm lazy. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. What other Christmas movies? What other ones? What do you want me to say, Spooky? No RQ by yourself? No, real quick by yourself. Oh. I guess I could. But then you guys would only hear it. And that's rude. Gotta hold that note? Okay, I don't think people have decided that they get to choose how I say things when you get a phrase of your own choice. That's where do you get the gall? Where do you get the gall to give me artistic direction? You're lucky you would get to even say words at all. There's 8 Crazy Nights. It's a good Christmas movie. That's a terrible movie. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. Very happy. I never said I would do it good. Hi, Sly! What movie are we watching? We're trying to figure that out now. We're trying to figure that out. So far, there's... What is it? What is it? Fucking... Polar Express? Krampus? Krampus? Even though I don't want to watch a scary movie. What's poppin'? Don't mind me, just watching. Hello? I'm bussin' today? Well, congratulations on bussin'. That's pretty bussin' of you. I'm bussin' myself. I'm bussin' all over the place. No. Say so, Mew. Say so. I heard Iron Man 3 is a Christmas movie. Where are you guys getting these suggestions from? Krampus, yeah. No! Hold on, I'm gonna look up Christmas movies. Christmas movies. God, I can't spell. There's that new... Guys, there's that new one! There's literally the new one with Will Ferrell and Ryan Reynolds. We could totally watch that. It has Ryan Reynolds in it. Yeah, we're gonna watch that. We're watching the new Christmas movie that Ryan Reynolds made. I cannot believe Bullet Train. No, what? Ryan Reynolds isn't in Bullet Train. At least I didn't think so. Ryan who? Disgusted. He is for like 5 seconds? Shut up! Nuh-uh, is he? Really? Nuh-uh? Does he die? Ryan Reynolds my favorite actor? Yeah, same. Well, no, not really, but he's hot. Oh, I wonder how much it is to buy it. I wonder if it's just on Apple TV. Am I gonna have to buy Apple TV? Da, 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 da. Oh crap. Okay, it's a free trial! Free trial! Free trial! We're fine. We're fine. We can just get the free trial. Hold on, I have to disappear again. Did I say something wrong? No. You didn't say anything wrong. I was just teasing you because you don't know who Ryan Reynolds is. There you go. Ryan Reynolds is the only man I would be non-straight for. That's a big compliment. Hello, Mike! How is your day going? It's going really good, thank you for asking. I need some more hot water with lemon. Ah, delicious. Although it's already not hot. I have one of those like little warmer things, but I haven't. No, you need coffee? I can't drink coffee and it's bad for your throat. Well, it's not bad for your throat, but water with lemon is good for your throat. And I need water with lemon. One second. I forgot to bring my set list over to my computer instead of my phone, so give me a second while I write all this down. Da 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 da. Ha! Okay. Alright, I wrote it down. We're good now. Gonna mix some whiskey with that coffee of yours? I don't have any coffee. I know there's a Christmas show on HBO Max, but I can't remember the title. But Seth Rogen voices Santa. That sounds awesome, and I'd totally watch that. Another actor I would be straight for is Joseph Morgan. Who's that? What's he play in? What does he play in? I've never heard of that name. Alright, I guess I'll start now. I don't wanna sing. I don't wanna. I don't wanna sing. I'm afraid. I haven't sounded very good today. Diabobic, thank you so much for the resubscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Over a full year. Yay! Thank you so much for 13 months. Amazing. By the way, do you prefer ice cream or frozen yogurt? Ice cream. 100%. I hope Podoru's song is on the list. It's not. But it's like 3 seconds long, so... Merry Christmas. I will you a Merry Christmas. Here. Hashite sori yo kaze no you ni tsukimi hara wo paroru paroru hashire sori yo kaze no you ni tsukimi hara wo pararu paroru oh paroru paroru paro paroru pararu pararu paro pararu ta-da 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 I think it's funny how Fade Extra meme became a popular thing. Yes. Yes. It is very funny to me. Ow! 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 There you go. Okay, how are you? Thank you for the hydrate pubs. Alright. Da-da-da. Only comes once a year. Like your mom when I'm not visiting. That's funny. I forgot to put Feliz Navidad on there. Okay, alright. Alright! We have a lovely list. We have a lovely selection of Christmas songs for your viewing pleasure this evening. I hope you're you're prepared for the music silence of Miyu Mochizuki and the various karaoke backing tracks that she found. Because that's it. That's all this is. Alright. Alright. So first we're gonna start out nice and easy and simple and fun. And also, please don't expect this to be perfect. If you're a new viewer of mine, please know that I am not a great singer. whether it's known or not. I'm not a great singer. So, I just try and have my best, and I just like Christmas, so just have fun. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what fun is. Only good. Alright, we're gonna put on the fancy voice filter here. Get some reverb. Can you hear the reverb? Reverb. Okay. I'm stalling. Perfect reverb, thank you. You're a great singer, don't deny it. I'll absolutely deny it. For my whole life! Okay, ready? I gotta skip through here. Oh gosh. Okay, so we're starting with Holly Jolly Christmas. A Holly Jolly Christmas by Burl Ives. I think Ives. I don't know. But yeah. Enjoy. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. A jolly Christmas is the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow. I already messed up. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Yeah! Let's go! First start! A great start! Oh, this is great! I forgot! I forgot how the song went! Hello, Raven. How are you? Hello, hello. Slow down on the eggnog. I can't. I shan't. It's Christmas. I shan't. It's Christmas. I'm trying to get all the songs, like the Christmas songs that aren't in my register, like out of it. I'm out, like trying to get out of it. Your dress as the Potato Chiba girl. It's just it's just a Christmas outfit. I already sang Potato though. I already sang it. Oh gosh, this is great. Oh, let it snow? Well, I already have a set list right now. I'm not taking that request at the moment. Holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Alright. Santa Claus is coming to town. That's our next song. Maybe. I can find it. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ta-da! Sinatra will be proud. Wow, that's a compliment. Thank you. Thank you. Twisted, shut up. Now that I'm home, let me say you're a sweet, precious little grandma and keep on having fun. That's what people say when they're really bad singers, and you just want them to feel better. So thank you, Spooky. I appreciate you for finally knowing the truth. Hello there, sorry I'm late. Hi, Marvel! You're not late, I just sang 2 songs. 3 if you count Pododu. Pododu. What? Accept your praise? No. No, I won't. I shan't. It's Christmas. It's only been an hour, and most of it was me talking. This is gonna go by really, really fast. It's gonna be really, really fast. Well, 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 if it isn't the queen in a cute getup. I am queen. I am in a cute getup, yes. Yes. So Mew does suck at something, accepting praise. I suck at so many things. But that's what gives me charm. Hey, yo! Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Yes. Alright, well, next song is Last Christmas. Oh, wow, Last Christmas. Last Christmas. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! There's always like really terrible intros to karaoke's, and they're so annoying. But that's okay. You sucks at being honest? No, I don't. Nuh-uh. I don't know what you're talking about. Ah! Whoa! Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This save me from tears. I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy. I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas. I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I loved you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kissed me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. A crowded room with thread. I don't know. I don't remember the last time. I think this happened to me last time. I forgot the words. I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. Face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore me apart. Oh no. If I'm a real love, you'll never fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore him apart. Maybe next year, we'll give it. No, I don't know it. I don't know it. I don't know the end. Oh my God! Look, who cares about the second verse, anyways? Only people care about the chorus. Doesn't matter about the rest. No one cares about the rest. No one cares about it. I will never have a fully polished karaoke stream. I never will. I never will. My brain just is. My brain broke. My brain broke. That will never happen. Forgive me. Also, I hate that song. I despise that song and I don't know why. It's just not. I don't like it. It's so old sounding. I don't know Like, it's not like good old sounding. I'm so sorry, Lamb. I really don't mean to offend you, but I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is I feel so awkward. I'm so sorry. I feel awkward. I'm used to more like chatting. I'm used to more chatting in between my karaoke streams, so I feel like I just have to get through it really fast. But if I do that, we're only gonna be here for like 15 minutes. So I don't know what to do. I'm back with my Taco Bell. Keep singing. Don't tell me what to do. Are you committing a little tomfoolery or perhaps a bit of shenanigans? This is the one time where I'm probably not committing either of those things, but it's normally very frequent. So if that helps. Hmm. Alright, well, I guess I'll just keep singing. Hello, Milkshake Man! How are you? Alright, I'm gonna sing All I Want for Christmas. Please don't judge me. I'm worried about this one. I'm worried about all of them. Ooga booga. Ooga ooga booga. How did you know I was gonna do All I Want for Christmas right then and then all of a sudden Lim comes in? That's weird. Tired but wanted to stop by once I saw your streaming. Oh, thank you! Thank you! Alright, I'll sing now. I'll judge you harshly just for the hell of it? No. It's defrosting. What the heck's defrosting? Defrosting. Oh, yeah. Yeah, defrosting. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. Oh, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole or St. Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeer click. I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? All I want for Christmas is you, baby. All the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear those sleigh bells ringing. Baby, won't you bring me the one I really need? Won't you please bring my baby to me? I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is all I want for Christmas is you, baby. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. Oh gosh, I'm sweating. That was so fun. Hello. Move over, Mariah. Shut up. Shut up. You're silly. You're so freaking silly. You're a silly Billy. OMG, just perfection, though. No, not at all. I never really learned how to do runs. I feel like if I had a vocal coach, I would be so good. But I never learned a lot of fundamentals when it comes to singing, so I'm just out here, like, struggling. But it's okay. It's perfect, thank you. Judge me? Don't judge me! Don't judge me, that's rude. I'll cry. I will cry all day long. Feliz. There we go. I need more water. I'm hiccuping. I'm hiccuping! If she turns out to be stinky, she pays with honest. Why do I have to pay you if you judge me? That's rude. That's fucking rude. I meant to say heck, but I said fuck. I'm so sorry. I'm trying not to say bad words as much, but it's hard. It's hard. Okay. Alright. Next song. Next song. Easy, easy one. Sing along with me if you know this. You should. Not that part. Back! Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz. Oh, I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Apparently, I don't know the words either. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Oh my God. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Yeah! That was a lot of Feliz Navidad. I wanted my Ada congrats payout. I never agreed to any Adas for judging. What the heck? I did not agree to this. Shush. Shush. Shush your face. Ada. There you go. There you go. There, even though I don't know why. Merry Christmas, I guess. Merry Christmas! Can we get a Moop cameo to sing? No. Never. Not a dry pants and chat. Ew. It's gross. Alright. Next though. We got the Moop in the last song. Yes. We voted that you have a voice of an angel. Yeah, I know. Thank you. I don't believe you. Next song is I'll have a blue Christmas Without you, I'll be so blue. Just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, choke on my own spit. I choke on my own spit. Oh God. I thought I was dying. Why are you making jokes? Elvis smiting me. Was it not good? Was it not good? I'm restarting. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm dedicated to getting at least one freaking song right. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas away. But I'll have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas away, but I'll have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. I can't believe I almost died singing Elvis Presley. You didn't choke that time? I almost did. Hello, butter, 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 Buddy, oh buddy, not butter. Hello. Yes, you have to be verified to talk in here because I was hate rated a little bit ago. Buddy. Yeah, I said buddy. Bear? Bear is Puma. What? Buddy? Buddy? What language? What language? I just assumed Japanese. I shouldn't do that. It's pronounced buddy. I know! It's English? It's bear? Oh! It's bear! Oh, it's bear! Oh, okay! Oh my god, I'm so stupid! I thought it was Japanese! Because there's us at the end! I couldn't comprehend that you meant bear! Oh my gosh! That's so funny. That's so funny. I love that. Oh my gosh. Truly iconic. That's me. Oh, okay. Next. Before I choke and die again. Where's my playlist? What does Bears use to listen to music? What does Bear use to listen to music? Bear pods. Oh, see, now you're confusing me because you're using the wrong bear. Now who's right and who's wrong? AirPods. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. I get it now. That's real funny. I'm going to cry. I'm sorry. I'm slow, okay? I'm slow. I have processing issues. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing and Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime in jingle bell time. Oh God, why do I keep dying? In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Yeah! Every time I heard this song, the dirty version of the song plays in my head. Oh no! No! Stroke-a-my, lick-a-my, suck-a-my. You perverts! Perverts! Why'd they sing? Yay! Kavar, don't look. This is bad singing. This is bad singing. I keep trying to dive from myself. I don't know why I keep choking. Your singing can never be bad. Lies! Oh shit, no. Ah! Everything's going against me today. Apparently nobody wants me to sing today. What am I doing next? Oh, A Holy Night is next. I'm doing a couple of the religious songs. So if you don't like religious songs, come back in about 10 minutes. I want to sing. Okay! Relax. Going to sleep. Have a wonderful stream and Merry Christmas. Good night, April, and Merry Christmas. This will be my last stream before next week, so I will not be streaming before Christmas. So Merry Christmas! Sing Dream On. Dream on! Dream on! Dream on! Dream on! No. Oh, wait, let me actually... Alright. Well, let me get on my coffee now first. Okay, that'll do. That'll do. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and ever pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night. Oh, night divine. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm so sorry. I started crying a little bit. That's my grandma's favorite song. So, Okaeri nasai. Oh gosh, I really can't get through any songs. I'm so sorry. I'm the worst karaoke singer. I'm so sorry. Vexily, thank you so much for the follow. And Holy Crap Marvel, thank you so much for the chair. Thank you. Thank you so much. chair. If you guys don't know, I have a chair currently in my living room. And it's this one. And it's one I found in the trash when I first got here. It's one I found in the trash. But it only had like a few holes in it, so I was like, yeah, well, let's go, free chair. So thank you. Now you've given me 2 chairs, you're right. 2 chairs. Hey, sometimes trash chairs are good. Exactly, that's why I was like, yeah, heck yeah, it's a free chair. But yeah. Also, if you didn't know, there's a second verse of Oh Holy Night. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Manila.
Can we get a round of applause for Muse singing today? Big W to the maidens here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for the 100 bits. Thank you. One man's trash is another Muse chair. It's true. It's true. It's a good chair. Free is free, yup. Simpson ruined that song for me when Homer's voice drops due to puberty. I've never heard that. But anyways, there's a second verse to that song that is like, is good. That is good, but I don't know it. I never learned it until I was looking up the karaoke and they were like, oh, hey, did you know there's a second verse? There's always a second verse to Christmas songs that they don't tell you about. What the fuck? The fuck? What just happened? Who did that? Did someone just buy me that litter box? Hello? What the heck? Holy crap! Don't look at me. Hello? Hold on, no. I gotta figure out who did this. Who did this? It's anonymous! It's anonymous, I can't tell. Ah! What the heck, guys? That's such an expensive letterbox. Thank you so much. Thank you. What the heck? How much was it? $500. Over $500. Somebody needs to tell me who did that. I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kick your ass. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. That's really sweet. What the heck? The throne is sold out. Thank you. What the heck? You guys are so much. Oh, that's a lot for cat litter. It's a cat. It's a litter box. It's automated. It's automated, so I don't have to do the litter anymore. I would like to burn you my Christmas present while back during Power Wash Sim Stream. No, please, you guys don't have to do anything. It's so sweet. You've already done so much. Thank you. No, don't feel obligated.
What a voice! Young Homer's gonna make me a millionaire. Hey, my voice just changed. Oh, night when Christ was born. Nabbit.
much for me. I can't possibly thank you enough for everything. You guys too much. You're way too kind to me. And I will dedicate this next song to you guys in well, not really this next song, but now add something in the wish list. Add something in the wish list next year in the balls. I'm perfect. I'm gonna keep it empty until next year so everyone can leave me alone. No more gifts. No more gifts. Just listen to me badly sing. You deserve the support. You're entertaining, and I hope you do this full time for a living soon. Aww. Thank you. I think I came in a good time. You did. Hello, Quadfather. Meeting you was one of the best things that happened in my life. Stop! I'm gonna cry. I love you, Kamara. Okay, next song. Next song before I start crying. Oh, okay. I might cry also. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, this is Silent Night. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Run, young virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, sign of God, love's pure light, radiant beam from thy holy face. With the dawn of redeeming grace, Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Run, young virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. 짜잔! 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 She said to listen to her badly sing, except this is exceptionally wonderful. Shut up! Now. Now, now. Now, now. She would. Your mom met your mom? Oh, Kai, that's so sweet. I don't deserve to meet anyone's mom. No. Your voice is so beautiful. Oh, stop. Stop. You guys are so sweet. Oh, this was your favorite as a kid, CJ? Aw, it's so nice. I'm gonna cry. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. Let's do a peppier song now. Peppier song. Maybe. Your voice is talented. I would pay to see you sing in a Christmas concert. Well, you already have, technically. That's what I'm here for. Is there any Christmas death metal? Merry Christmas! There you go. Alright. Where is it, bro? Yes. No, did I already do that one? I did. Did I do Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree? Did I do that one yet? I don't remember. There's a Christmas metal band, but they're death metal. Trans-Siberian Orchestra is the closest thing. No, it's not death metal. That's just cool. Jingle Bell Rock, another song I forgot? Okay, so probably not. Okay. Then this one. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see, every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Yeah, jazz, jazz, jazz hands. No, jazz hands. Banana. Well, what's this one? I don't remember this. Oh, it's Jingle Bells. It's Jingle Bells. Well, guess we're going right into the next one. We're just gonna keep going. I missed the part. I missed it. Okay. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ta-da! 星でそりを風のように月見あろうパラロパロル That's funny. That's so funny. All right. Let's see here. What we got left? I have 3 songs left. No. 4 songs. I have 4 songs left. 4 songs. And then maybe I'll take a request or 2. Thank you for the hydrate. Ugh. Actually, I'm gonna go heat this up like 1 second. Hold on. here wants to hug Mew? I don't know. I don't know if anyone wants to hug me. Probably not. Probably not. Nah. Bear! 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 Okay. Alright, next. Next. Next is I'll Be Home for Christmas. I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents by the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love lights gleam. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents by the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love lights gleam. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. Yeah. I really dig the jazzy accompaniments. I think they're very good. I like them a lot. I think they're very pretty. Very pretty. All right. This next song is one that everyone wants me to sing. Santa Baby. And I'm gonna try and do it. I'm gonna try and do it in a different way. Give it a try to marry you ahead of me? Well, she's already married to me, so I don't know why she's trying to marry again. Are you ready for Santa Baby? I want to see some hype. I want to see some hype. She's trying to be double married. More hype! More hype! Hype! Eepee? Eepee! Eepee! Why are you making me hydrate so much? Hold on. I'm preparing you. ready? Dry throat bad, water good. True. Alright. Okay, I'm ready now. Wait. Hold on, Baron's knocking at the door, and I know it's gonna throw me off. So I gotta wait for him to stop. Baron, stop knocking at the door! He said, meow? Meow? Me? Who, me? Oh, little me, Mom? Baron is like a horror game monster. He does it so much! It hasn't been 3 hours, I know! What's wrong with him? Baron sounds like bear. No! Sophie wants to sing along? Sophie's chill. Sophie knows what she's supposed to do when I'm streaming. Baron hasn't understood the concept yet. He's usually really good at only bangs on the door at 3 hours, but today he's being a little shit. I love you, Baron. Okay, alright, now I'm ready. Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, one thing I really do need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Trim my I lost it. I really do believe in you, so let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. No, I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Oh, God. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. How the hell does this sultry vaudeville leading lady voice come out of our squeaky streamer? I don't know what you're talking about. Hi, Ender! Hello. Hello. Those, that karaoke was missing like two lyrics, two sets of lyrics, so I got thrown off. But that's okay. I think I did pretty good. Okay. We're rounding out the last bit of song. Hey, can one of my mods put an announcement in the Discord that movie night is going to start at 8:45 my time, EST? Please. I want to make sure everybody knows. Which day? Today, right after stream. Alright, next is Believe. This is from the Polar Express. I believe Spooky requested it. It's a beautiful song. It's from my favorite Christmas movie. And it's beautiful. And I'm really hoping I can sing it because it's been a while. I'm really nervous. I gotta cough out the low voice. I gotta cough it out. Hold on, I didn't get a karaoke version of this one, I'm sorry. Hold on. Un momento. Because I know you likes the song. I do, I love this song, I'm just not the greatest singing it. Too bad you didn't watch the Polar Express recently to get a refresher. I know! I'm aware! Okay. I'm scared. Children sleeping, snow is softly falling. Dreams are calling like bells in the distance. We were dreamers not so long ago, but one by one we all had to grow up. When it seems the magic slipped away, we find it all again on Christmas Day. Believe in what your heart is saying. Hear the melody that's playing. There's no time to waste. There's so much to celebrate. Believe in what you feel inside and give your dreams the wings to fly. You have everything you need if you just believe. Trains move quickly to their in starlight to get where they need to be. When it seems that we have lost our way, we find ourselves again on Christmas Day. Believe in what your heart is saying. Hear the melody that's playing. There's no time to waste. There's so much to celebrate. Believe in what you feel inside and give your dreams the wings to fly. You have everything you need if you just believe. If you just believe. If you just believe. Just believe. Ah. No, not again! Not again! That song's so hard to sing. Yay! 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 All right. I have one last song. One last song. Update. I am now wearing pants. In fact, I'm wearing these comfortable warm Mew joggers, and you too can wear a pair of Mew joggers for Christmas if you click this link. Thank you for the subtle promo, Spooky. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Please wear me on your body. Wear me on your body. All right. Where is it? Okay. This is one of my favorite Christmas songs. Don't listen to it. Everybody, shh. Shh. Okay. Last Christmas song. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. It's by Michael Bublé. Well, this rendition is, but no, it's Michael Bublé. But this is Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in olden days. the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow, so hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow, so hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas Yay! 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 Just sing like a damn angel. Now, 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 now. I just love Christmas music. Makes me really happy. This whole season just makes me happy. You did so well, your voice is just so good. Aww. I really appreciate it, guys. I can't do a lot, but I hope this hour or so of singing, 45 minutes or singing, I don't know, was fun. And I hope you had fun. And I hope you felt warm and happy. Because when I think of you, I get that feeling all year long. And I'm really grateful for you guys. I really am. I don't know where I'd be this year without you. Or last year without you. Or any year without you. You guys really gave me something in my life that I never thought I'd have. So I'm infinitely grateful for everything. Not just the gifts and the donations and the subs, which goddamn those really help too, but just knowing that you guys care about me and you come here every time and hang out with me and you don't make fun of me when I'm really bad at games. Well, you kind of do, but I can tell that you're doing it out of a caring place, and I'm just really grateful for you. So thank you. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I will try so super duper hard to make you proud next year. I will work my hardest to give you everything that you deserve, and I will fight to make sure I'm worth everything that you've given me and everything you will give me. And thank you so much for being here, guys. I love you so much. I really do. I'm sorry to cry. I'm so sorry. I'm a big baby. I just really want you guys to know that I think about you all the time. You're everything I do this for, and yeah. Okay, I'm not back to being a bitch. So make sure you come. I'm gonna take like a 15-minute break to get food because I'm kind of hungry. And make sure you're in my Discord at 8:45 if you want to watch a Christmas movie with me. A new one starring Ryan Reynolds and Will Ferrell. It's supposed to be really good. And we'll just hang out and have fun and watch a movie. And this will be my last stream. You can catch me on Kavara's stream tomorrow for Apex. She's right there if you want to give her a quick follow to catch that. And then that'll be my last stream, and then I'm going home for Christmas. Thanks to you guys. I'm going home for Christmas, and I'll be back next week, sometime, the beginning of next week. I might throw in a stream or two, but I'm not sure yet. Can you sing Parodu one more time? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll give you a farewell Parodu. Okay. Seasonal Nick, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you. 走ってそりよ風のように月見原をパラルパロルパロルパロルパロパロルパロルパロルパロパロルYeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Be in my Discord if you want to come watch the movie with me at 8:45, which is about 15 minutes from now. So yeah. But until then, I hope you have an amazing holiday season. Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful time with your family, your friends, whoever you consider your family, whoever you consider your friends. I don't care, just have a good freaking time, or else I'll find you, and I'll hit you over the head with the candy cane. Be happy, be safe, be warm, and know that Mew loves you.